Hey girls.
Hi.
There's a surprise under the tree for you.
Really? Oh my goodness. I didn't even notice. I see something. It's a horse. It's a horse. What? Whoa. Oh my goodness. It's a horse. It's a Bobby Princess Adventure. Oh my goodness. You can press it. You can press the little top in it. Oh, it lights up. And it moves its head down. Wow, that's so cool. I love it. And it comes with a body. Oh. It's dancing. It bows. She can bend at her elbows and knees. So she can sit on the horse. Let's open. Lights and sounds. My up. Ooh. And push that. I like that. Open it from the side. It goes up and down, and then you can flip. And then you like, okay, you turn it around. Now pull it out, Tink. I can't see it. Oh, I see, Pull it out. Ooh. Wow. It slides out. Pretty hair. Ooh. Wow, she has pretty hair. It has glitter inside. Bobby looks amazing. Yeah. Look at her dress. I'm gonna take this. It has the Try It On music on it. Okay, here you go. The horse has sparkly hair. The crown in the Pomeranian set. And also the shoes. Like so jelly and smooth. Like wobbly. Zippy. This shoe is my favorite. Just like my sister said, she has blue eyes just like the horse. She has pretty blonde hair to match the back. Just like the blonde tail on the back. And also the gems right here. And all right here. And the pink saddle that matches her boots. And it also had gems. And the horse also has long eyelashes too. I love her. And Bobby. So, this is Bobby. She's really pretty, and she has long blonde hair. And she has blue eyes, just like the horse. And she has a very, very pretty dress. And she also has pink gem boots, just like my sister said. And she has a silver crown with stars on it to match her dress. And it's even glittery on top and on this bottom right here. She has a glittery shirt. And this is all one piece. And she has a belt. And I just love her dress, and she's so pretty. She has bendable arms and bendable legs so she can go on the horse. Here's the horse. Oh, good horsey. Yeah. Yep. And this, she can hop on. And then you can dance. And the horse makes music from the Bobby 2 movie. Gonna play? Mm-hmm. Wow, is that the Eiffel Tower? Oh, we're in France. It's so beautiful here. Whoa! We're in space! Oh, it's so cool. I see all the stars. Wow, I can see all the planets. Wow, I love space. It's so beautiful. Where are you taking me now? You gonna take me somewhere else? Whoa! Wow, we're in Africa. Wow, it's... Look at that lion. Oh no, one! There's a lion! Ah! Take me somewhere, quick! Whoa! We're in Antarctica. Ooh, it's so cold here. Hurry, it's freezing. Hurry, teleport somewhere else, girl. Wow, we're in the rainforest. It's beautiful. Wow, I hear birds. Whoa. Oh my, I think it's gonna rain. Oh, is that a snake? That's really scary. It's raining. Go! I'm getting all wet. Go somewhere else. Wow! We're back home. Wow, I love this place. We're back home. That was the best ride ever.